We now move towards the vibrant conclusion of the recital with a Tilana, a lively and energetic composition that brings a Bharatnatyam performance to its grand finale. A Tilana is essentially a pure dance piece built around rhythm, fast paced movements, and intricate footwork. It is where Nritta takes center stage in its most joyful form. Unlike expressive items that focus on storytelling, Tilana is about celebrating movement itself, speed, precision, and control coming together in a burst of energy. It is traditionally placed at the end of the program, leaving the audience with a sense of fulfillment, joy, and rhythmic excitement. This Tilana is set in the raga Kadanakurtulam and is well-loved composition of Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, a legendary figure in Carnatic music, known not just as a brilliant vocalist but also as a visionary composer who brought fresh ideas into the classical tradition while staying deeply rooted in its essence. As the name suggests, the raga carries a sense of joy, curiosity, and celebration. It is a bright and fast-moving raga that instantly lifts the mood of the listener and creates a festive atmosphere on the stage. From a raga lakshana point of view, it is known for its unique zigzag movement in the scale. The swaras don't move in a straight linear pattern, but instead take quick, unexpected turns. This gives the raga its distinctful, playful character. It is also marked by crisp, clear notes with very minimal gamaka, which adds to its sharp and energetic feels. The Sahityam in the Tilana comes towards the end and is quite brief. It is in praise of Lord Krishna, describing his divine charm and enchanting beauty of his flute. Even though the lyrical portion is short, it adds a beautiful touch of devotion and expression before the piece returns to the rhythmic dance. Set to Adi Talam, the Tilana flows with a speed, energy, and precision, giving space for complex footwork and dynamic movements. It is one of those pieces where everything, music, rhythm, and movement, comes together in perfect sync, creating a sense of celebration on stage. And as the recital concludes, the Tilana just doesn't end the performance. It leaves the stage filled with energy, joy, and lingering sense of rhythm that stays with the audience even after the final beat.
Nadridridhim tananam tadaradani nadridritum nadridritum dridritillana nadridridhim tananam tadaradani nadridritum nadridritum dridritillana nadridridhim tananam tadaradani nadridritum nadridritum dridritillana nadridridhim tananam Nadridritum, nadridritum, dridritillana. Nadridridim, tananam, tadaradani, nadridritum, nadridritum, dridritillana. Nadridridim, tananam, tadaradani, nadridritum, nadridritum, dridritillana, nadridridim, tananam, tadaradani, nadridritum, nadridritum, dridritillana, nadridim, tananam, tadaradani, nadridritum, nadridritum, dridritillana, nadridim, tananam. Nadridritum, ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ನಾದ್ರಧೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರಧಿ ಮದನಿ ಗಪಸದ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟೋ ಸನಿದಪ ಸನಿದಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸದಾದ್ರದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧಿ ತನನನೋ മനോഹരുടവേ മധുരഗാനം വരേ മുരളി മനോഹരുടവേ മദന ഗദന കുതൂഹലുടു രംബൻ മദന ഗദന കുതൂഹലുടു രംബൻ വിരാന 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 രാവേ വിരാന 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 രാവേ വദന മദേ ತರಿಕಿಟತೋಂ ತಜಣುತ ತರಿಕಿಟತೋಂ ತರಿಕಿಟತೋಂ ತಜಣುತ ತತ್ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಳಾಂಗು ತಕು ತರಿಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ದಿತ್ತಳಾಂಗು ತೋಂ ತೋಂ ಧೃತೋಂ ಧೃತೋಂ ಸಾರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಮದದರಿ ಗಗಬಸ ಸನಿದಪ ಮಗಪ ಮಗರಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧೀಂ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧೀಂ ತನನನಂ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧೀಂ ತನನನೋ ತದರದಾನಿ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರತೋ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧೀಂ ತನನನಂ ನಾದ್ರದ್ರಧೀಂ ತನನನಂ ನಾದ್ರ